Hey everyone, today I am here to share a unboxing or unboxing. I went to what is it called? I went to what is it called? The Container Store, y'all, because I was looking for some organization for my drawers over here. Now I only bought one set. If I end up loving the one set, my hands ashy. If I end up loving the one set that I purchased, I will be going to purchase another set because I had a coupon, and of course, you know, I love taking advantage of coupons, what I'm saying. So I got this here organizer, and the good thing about the Container Store is when you purchase something, you do not have to get out your car. I purchased this online and I was able to sit in my car and they brought it to me while I was sitting in my car. I don't even think you can actually go in the store, so don't worry you guys, I didn't go in the store to go shopping or anything like that. So like I said, I purchased it online, and it's like the Target thing where, you know, it's curbside service. And I was really happy because you know, I was able to take advantage of this. But the only thing is, the cosmetic company store, you would rather go in there to look, because I really couldn't see everything they had to offer. Like I said, this happened to pop up. I was looking for something like this because, like I said, I wanted to organize my little drawers over here. Cause y'all, I'm just excited because in my house in Covington, I didn't have drawers. So now I have drawers in my bathroom, because bathroom, I always had a lot of bathroom stuff. So I had to purchase like one of them little plastic carts, you know, you get from like Walmart or Target. So that's what I was using in my old place. So now I have some drawers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Hopefully y'all can see it. It has like gold trimming around, and don't mind the look because I just got finished filming a video, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a voiceover, not a voiceover, but play music or whatever. So this is the drawer. So this drawer here is the one that I'll be, let me see. So this is the drawer that I'll be looking to organize. So hopefully you can see. So what I'm gonna do is here to take everything out of this drawer. Don't mind my hands, they may be a little ashy because it's a little chilly today. I don't know why this is in here, but I may go ahead and move that out. So like I said, I have this here. I probably can throw this away. I'm the type of person, I'll try and keep everything. Oh, if I didn't mention, it came in a set of 5. You can purchase the 6, but the 6 was $19 and some change, and the 5 was $15 with the coupon. I think I paid $11 or $13, so that's why I got the 5. Like I said, if I end up liking this set, I probably will go get the, you know, the 6 set for $20. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, pull everything out. And y'all, this here, I don't know if I mentioned this, but y'all, I love this so much because when I do my nighttime routine, I usually put my cleanser on the top of this, and I'll use it. It's like a little vibrating sensation, and it helps to remove the dirt off of my face. Here is also a favorite, but it's empty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my empties. I have some Tylenol. Now I have a medicine cabinet because, again, I didn't have a medicine cabinet in Covington, but I have one here, so that's what I was putting back. I'm gonna probably put this back where the nail polishes goes. And this here is a makeup remover. This here is another makeup remover by Clinique. I have some Q-tips. I usually carry them in my purse because, like, when something is itching my eye or something, I don't like to touch, you know, my face. So here are these. So here are my nail clippers, but me personally, I prefer to use the ones that's straight across. I don't like the curved ones, but I save those for my daughter so she can use them. This here I usually use for my facials. This here is a scrunchie. what is that, a razor. We got this from Dollar Tree. This is my daughter's. So everything is cleaned out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry it out. I said I'm going to keep this in here so I don't have to worry about those containers like moving around and stuff. Let's see. Let's see, like here. Alright, so let me see. Alright, that can't fit in there, so let me see. Put this like this. Alright, so let me see if I close it, will it? This is real good, good quality acrylic. It has like these little feet on here, but like I said, since I'm keeping that in there, I don't have to worry about it moving around. Put this back here. Maybe I'll do it like this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep these here in the pack. I may go ahead and put these over here. I'm gonna do with the cotton round. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here, so then I won't have to worry about anything. And these here, I got these. I think I got these from Sephora, but you know, when TJ Maxx was open, they were starting to sell them at TJ Maxx, and they were $7.99 at TJ Maxx, y'all. So when TJ Maxx open up, you may want to go ahead and check that out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there, and don't worry about pushing it back there. So let's see. This here, y'all, I love this so much. Somebody, I think this company sent this to me. I forgot the name of the company to try out. It was from Amazon, and y'all, I love this so much because it helps to remove hair. I usually use this for my chin area and sometimes under my arms. After I shave, I use this to like keep up, like touch up, you know, when I don't need to really shave like that. So I'll probably place that right there along with my razor. Let me see. Well, you know what? I don't use these razors like that, so I'm gonna put them back here and just put that in there, and then maybe put that right here. And y'all already know about Laneige, best thing ever. This here are these nose strips. They are good to get blackheads out of your blackheads off of your face. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. Then we have this here, I'm gonna place here. This here, I'm gonna probably put this back here because like I said, I don't use that often, only when I'm like getting ready to go out of town or go somewhere. So I'm gonna put my wipes back here because like I said, I don't use these as much. And I'll probably place my Q-tips up here. This here, I'm gonna probably put this in my daughter's room because I don't use that. This here is like little extra stuff I'm gonna put in here. Then you know what, I'm gonna move this all the way over because when I go and brush my teeth, I like to have my toothpaste on this side. I'm gonna put that right there because like I said, when I brush my teeth, I normally grab my toothpaste from that side. And what else? This here I can throw here. Yo, having this organizer makes it so much better because now I have room. It felt like my drawer was like overcrowded, which it really wasn't, because as you can see, I don't really have nothing in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing inside of here. Now this is the drawer that probably really needed one, because as you can see, It has a lot of stuff. So what I may do is add some stuff up at the top. And I still haven't gotten around to putting these nails on. This here is what we use when we get our, you know, when I do my braids. I usually put that in my hair. This company here sent me this soap. So it's like a facial soap. I'll go ahead and put that right there. I may put some of my razors in here, because I need to get another organizer set. So instead of having these razors up here, I'm gonna place them down here. Here's my thing for my feet. I'm gonna place that right here. And then I have this hair thing. I'm gonna put that in the hair drawer. And this here is my thing that I use like for my eyes at night, and then for my hair to pull my hair back. I probably could put this down here. So it looks a lot better so far. It's looking a lot better, y'all. I'm gonna put that right there. Thing that I use to clean my brushes. And put that down here. So yeah, this hair drawer, I may go ahead and purchase another set. I probably won't need the 6-piece set, because as you can see, I have this one down here. So I probably would get another set for here, to just be able to put this stuff in, you know, to make it look a lot better. I mean, it looks okay, but of course it can look a lot better if I had you know, like the little acrylic set. This drawer is just the way it is, and that's because I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I probably can get some containers for that drawer as well. This here is a foot mask, so I may can put this down here. So, you know, if I want to use this stuff, it'll be here. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the drawer with the organizers. So look how different and neat that looks. Like, that looks so neat and pretty. I don't know what I can put in here. Maybe I'll throw these in here for now. I don't know. But y'all, tell me what y'all think. I need to get some better toothpaste, so don't mind my toothpaste that is under no more than $1. I am going to get some better toothpaste, y'all, so don't mind that. But yeah, so now I have a spot for my deodorant, because this is the stuff that I normally use on an everyday basis, especially this lip mask. Like I said, my toothpaste, you know, my women products. My makeup wipes I don't use as often, that's why I put them towards the back. I use this mostly every other day, like I said, to keep up on removing hair. Like I said, I have my toenail clippers, I have some hair ties. This here I use mostly every night. So this here drawer is more for my everyday essentials. And as you can see, when you close it and open it, none of the acrylic containers move and shift back and forth. Now it may be because I have this here underneath it, keeping it from sliding, but I did see somebody purchase like some little dots that you can get from Amazon, but like I said, I don't need to do all that because this here is working for me right now. But y'all, I love my new drawer. Like, I've been purchased that organizer, but I was waiting for this video. I was waiting to do the video so I can go ahead and show you guys how I end up organizing my bathroom drawers. And $16.15 camera is about to do. But yeah, you guys, let me know what y'all think. And here is the second drawer. So like I said, I'm gonna order another set so I can organize this drawer, and I may go ahead and show y'all when I decide to organize this drawer as well, so y'all can see how the other set end up looking. So yeah, if y'all like these types of videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. I'm sorry I'm rushing, but my light was doing something funny and I don't want to have to restart everything. Like I said, please thumbs up this video if you like it, and also before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And before I go, I will leave a link down below for this particular organizer, because they have the ones without the gold, but I prefer the ones with the gold trimming. So just so you can get it up close so y'all can see again. Now the ones that doesn't have the gold trimming, of course, they don't cost as much, but me, in my opinion, I prefer the one with the gold trimming. Not sure if I'm gonna change the color of this, but I may get a lighter color, not sure, but let me know what y'all think. So yeah, you guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.